Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's the Appliance Guru coming at you with another video. Today we're working on a 2022 Samsung gas dryer. The customer is complaining about a scratching or scraping noise. First, you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and you're going to remove the two Phillips screws in the back. Here's one. I already had halfway removed them, made it easier for the video. And here is the second one. You're going to want to unplug it, make sure there's no power going to it because you want to minimize the shock hazard. Anyways, you're going to try to slide that top back like so. Put on some gloves, some safety gloves, that way you don't scratch yourself with the sheet metal. Once you slide the top back like that, remove it, put it to the side gently. You're going to see now, I'm letting the drum spin because I wanted to hear it and watch it. You're going to see now that I'm going to show you where it's scratching, where I see the scratching marks. So you notice the scratch marks in the front of the drum, right about there, and they'll go all the way around the drum. You can also see them in the back, same area. This is where the ones that I saw immediately were. So you see that spacing there? That spacing between the drum and the cabinet is so small. There's not a lot of space there. I don't know why they made their new dryer so tight in space, but it's scratching on that cabinet. So what I do is I take a fat handled screwdriver and I kind of slowly and gently work it in between the casing, the cabinet, and the drum. You're going to see the casing pop out a little bit there. You see how it's kind of popping out a little bit. It's not going to be too much for you. It's not going to be a crazy difference. You won't notice it, but you kind of want to work it, and then you pull it out. And then I had already done the repair, but you pull it out, then you rotate the drum a little bit, you push it back in, you work it in with your hand carefully and gently, not to cut yourself or hurt yourself. It has to be a fat handled screwdriver like this. That way you can create some more gaps and space in between the casing and the drum. Anyways, so yes, that's the way you're going to fix it. I've worked on about 4 or 5 of these, and I have not seen any issues, anything. I haven't had any callbacks. Customers are telling me that they're working perfectly fine. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please contribute to the Super Things, and if you have any questions, contribute to the Super Things, and I will answer them. Thank you.